Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the role of collaborators in Google Sheets. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up Google Sheets, and here it opens up in this view. From here we just have to select the document that we want to edit, and then tap on the three dots next to its name. Then tap on Manage Access, and if the document is set General Access, then we can tap on Change, and then if we tap on Viewer, we can select the role of the people that have access to this file from Viewer, Commenter, or Editor. So it can be either of these three. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.